when we get into commercial real estate, this becomes more of a team sport. We call these group investments for a reason. We have somebody that might qualify loans for us. You might have somebody that just puts a capital contribution in, or many people that put capital in. And you get people that maybe you might need multiple people to qualify for loans for you. One that has some credit, some has some liquidity, and all these things. Now you might be that person. You might be able to qualify for all your own stuff. But the good news is if you don't, this is a much easier business to get into than single family, because you can just assemble a team for what you need. And the banks are cool with that. You get one guy with some credit, one guy with some liquidity, one guy with some experience, put them all together, we can qualify for a $10 million loan. Boom, we're good, right? It doesn't have to be you. It doesn't have to sit all on your shoulders. So you can do this stuff by putting your team together.